Are you cold?
Yes.
Why are you under my table?
It's a house.
It's a what?
It's the house.
It's the house.
I could outside the rain. The rain outside. Look outside. It's raining. Look up. It's raining.
Is it? I see the sun.
It's raining.
I wonder why you think it is raining. I see the sun.
No. And the hujan.
The hujan?
close the sun.
Oh, the rain closes the sun?
Yeah.
Wow.
It turned red, and then the sky turned red, hot.
Oh.
You go beach is hot.
Oh, when you go to the beach, it's hot.
Then the seagull it crash in the shore.
The sea crushes the shore.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then the same time is the Bonde and Mia and me and Nessa and me and Walid and go outside and play in the sun.
Wow.
Then and this one and the beach. Then I ambil the sand, go inside the feeling fun.
Oh, you play with the sand.
Yeah, and this one.
Dig. This one is called digging. You dig in the sand.
Yeah, this one.
Dig.
I want to walk my excavator.
Excavator?
Yeah.
Spell ballgum.
Pardon?
Ballgum.
Ballgwn. Okay, after that you dig inside the sand and then I wonder what else you did.
I don't know.
I don't know.